Alright, here's the baby bird that Aurora just killed. Now the mother is flipping out mad. Came over to try to save the little baby bird, but it was puking up blood. And I'm pretty sure when they're puking up blood, that's the end of story. But Aurora seems very proud of herself. I think it was already injured. Either that or Aurora was just really fast. A little on the small side. There's another one floating around here. Aurora keeps chasing around. That one's a lot bigger though. Probably like a mother and child or something. Saddening. Oh well, that's my vicious dogs right there. Alright.